Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my page. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. How una dey, my amazing people? You get the video when I do the other day concerning batch and a woman. A lot of people, they want misunderstand me for that very video because say una not watch that video to the end. That is from the starting to the end. Una for understand that very video when I make concerning batch. Now understand, because wetin I talk for that video be say, if batch not chop your money, make you not come out come talk say batch chop your money, because the beginning of the video I can't skip and put like almost the ending of the video to editor before I post am. When some people just listen to the starting of that video, they don't conclude their comment for comment section. So now make me come do this short video say make una not misunderstand me. You not get any time when it be say I take join batch say they chop people money. Waiting I talk for that video be say they newly do marriage, may they leave them, may they enjoy their honeymoon. Where I not true no say now inside Facebook they want to do their honeymoon. For not still put that word. So waiting I can't talk for that video be say make people will be say you not collect money for your hand. You can't come out because they talk say collect your money because say you want to use that advantage to build your page, to grow your page, or to get viewers and followers. Now understand me, I not the supportive for this my page. Now truth, now they talk for this very page when I did so make una not misunderstand me. We are person for get fault error. I go give am woto according to that error where that person get. Because I see one woman wey cry out for Gbovo platform now say bash chop your money, and she can't bring a lot of evidence come out. The difference is clear now. We go still judge that matter as it be. Now understand. So not be say we'll see black, we'll say na white. Me I not be like that too. Now only what I can tell you for that video be say if you be say not chop your money and you go come out say he chop your money, now that one no good, brother sister. Make una not get twisted, my people. Anywhere where person forget error, we go correct time for social media, because it's not good to true chop people money just like that without say you not do anything for them. I know they support bad thing. So now I say I can tell una for this short video. I really appreciate every one of you that are always coming back to watch my videos, sharing my videos. Una too much, my amazing people. Keep supporting watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. Okay, my people. So I want to enter supermarket. Brother, good morning. How the family? Well done. Hey, definitely. Yes, my people. It's good. May we dey talk truth, eh? Not be say because me with one bros won't get problem because of that very video when I dey talk. So when I do, we won't get problem for comment section when they comment say, madam, why are you joining him? Hey, why are you supporting him? Whether I don't know how many people buy don't chop your money. I say, bro, so you sure say you watch my video to the end? You listen to the full video, waiting I talk for inside the video. I don't get the time when I take support and say maybe if they collect money from people. Waiting I talk. If you listen well, say if you not chop your money and you say you chop hand, you want use advantage to say you want use batch to grow your page. I say it not go better for you now. That's why I talk now. I know they deny waiting I talk. I be full woman where they talk with my full chest. I not go deny her. You understand? So who do anyhow for the social media? You go still collect anyhow. Because that woman own we will constantly analyze them. We come out for Gbovo. Come and get Gbovo page yesterday. So if you be say you chop that woman money, according to her batch, go give her money. Go and give her her money, because all of us there abroad. Money not easy for abroad though. Why is it here to get a go for here, my people? I hustle with the hustle. If not be hustle, for the media. If not be say we want get small change to the support ourselves. If we're not the social media now, I be a lie. Huh? One they come out anyhow like that because they show your face for media, for waiting now. Now money, I carry all of us come, so may we not cheat ourselves. May we not collect money from innocent people hand. You just chop on like that and you want go free. The best thing now for you to return their money back. See banana. Banana not even ripe like that, but what to do now? Not be like Nigeria. If banana not ripe, you open inside and it go just ripe. But here not be like that too. So brother batch, go and return their money. Not support you for all those people you they do. La. Because the comment section that day I can't even delete some videos. Where be say people cut they attack me, they fight. They fight me. For what I don't know one, I don't know two. You know good though. You know what for person you collect the money. You know no say come and go meet you later. Go meet you. Now you know chopper and go free. That kind of money they hang for throat. They hang for throat. And they pay me say a lot of people. They not to try understand this page of a thing. And they always tell people say this page where would they operate, so say it's very easy. It's easy if you get yellow dollar sign or restriction. You need to delete the video where give you that restriction and you go start to do live video. If you do live video well, they go remove them. Then be Facebook law. Don't be say you they carry people video can they put on top of your own. They post people video where you never monetize. Facebook will strike you now, they'll give you restriction. They'll tell you say the content that you carry now reuse content. Unoriginal content. They will tell you like that. Now understand. So what they don't understand that they ask. Hola. ¿Qué?
De la segunda escogido. Las bananas.
Sí, banana eso. Sí. So what we don't know, we need to ask each other person who near us. Even for me now, if you want to ask me question, ¿cuánto? ¿Dos con? 33. You ask me, I go put you through. I know they collect money because I don't see know a lot of things for inside this Facebook of a thing. Even for what they call themselves YouTube. So they are getting in the bar. Male, hello. I understand. Okay, bros. Bye bye.
I take care of you, eh? Yes, now.
They take care of me well.
This is the best man.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, brother, thank you. He said, brother, they take care of me. Okay, bros, thank you. Hey, yeah, so you see your left batch, you come fuck up. Batch, you don't fuck up now. Now small shit, now the square show batch. Small shit. Now the square of course. You want chop small. See what it they happen to you now. You know good. That woman say, now this thing you call they use that they do follow for follow. Instead of you to fulfill your promise, say you want give that woman followers, you want give her watch hour, you go do it. Not be say you do why you. Now la robo with the so robo na why you. Esan isan la Now there sing and rich mon and no verse. Why you all come be why you na? You fuck up, brother batch. You fuck up. Wallahi. All of us na the same. Even though say you be Igbo, I won't say now one God create us. Now one blood, now they run for our vein. Brother batch, may you change your way because money we person don't chop. I know say they really hard to return. Nah, bad meat for here. They hard to return. Hola. Hola. Man. Hola. They hard to return because you don't already swallow the money. Now to return on a war. Now problem not easy to return. Maleme, that's costillas de tenere.
¿Ese?
Sí, que tiene menos hueso.
¿Tienes que lavarla?
Sí, por favor. So money we person don't chop, it's dey hard though, because I don't know how you want to pay all those people their money. I know just know. Well, they send a Nigeria account, now you dey push am. So from that Nigeria account, may you suffer the return and they give them. May you forget peace for social media, you and your family, because peace of mind is very important, my brother.
¿Algo más?
De momento, nada más. Solo tiene este de limón. No hay otro sabor.
No, solo ha venido de limón.
¿Cuánto es el huevo? ¿Cuánto? Egg.
2.60.
Ha subido, ¿eh?
Todo sube.
¿La carne cuánto es?
7.89.
¿Y cuánto es el kilo? Entonces este sería más de 1 kilo.
9.99.
¿El kilo?
Igual. El kilo igual, 9.99.
Oh, si no hubiera cogido este. Si es lo mismo precio. Pero ya lo has partido.
Claro.
Ah, pues dámelo. No hay nada que hacer.
Es el mismo, sí.
Este.
189.
Vale, cobra de mí. Para small thing. My father close for school.
Muchas gracias.
A ti, hasta luego. Yes, so as we talk, my people, I don't buy what I want to come back for. For outside that they go house. Huh? But when you try to change you, that one where your woman go they bust egg. How many people egg donkey? I be we never say for this social media. We don't see many people who don't carry egg go they bust for outside. You all they waste that egg for nothing. Egg where you for fry eat and egg where people need for Nigeria to enjoy themselves. Now you go they bust through anyhow. Oh my God. So may you advise your husband. As if you be real responsible woman, you need to advise your husband. Say, honey, come sit down here. As this thing can't be now. Even though say you not give them all the money, at least may you shake body. Because if people too much when you collect money, you need to work for some. According to the way we not discuss, you work for some. The rest you return their money where you not work for. Now so you be. Now so it be ona o kagbe bachi ona. Egiagbon now we boy woman money. You have kids already, so when people they narrate you, brother, you know, not good. Not really good then. So may you return their money back to the one so you know say you fit do their work. Because you know if you return all the money, go do their work for them. Now my people, Mona no get that my video twisted though. I use God beg una say I dey join batch. Say chop people money. No. I not join now. May they bear me down because I be Christian. I stand for the truth. For this social media, I know they do wuru. I not like who they do wayo. I swear. So Mona share this video. May get to bash. Bash. Return their money. The one so you not feel return, do the work when you tell them, and you say you not be Facebook. If person get restriction for page now, but how you want to remove her? Only my advice now. Now for you to tell those people say if they get content will not be their own, may they delete and comment, may they start to do their own content, do live video. The restriction will come out. Now the advice why they give people who near me now be that one. Now understand? So now Facebook now they remove the restriction, not be human being like us. Page says they're not the service page. If the thing reach say you they do better content where people like, what they really love, they go they follow you, they go they like your video, they go they share your video, you go viral. So everything gets its time. There is time for everything. Now understand my people. May I even follow step on because if I enter this lift now, this live video go cease. My normally cease. So it's good to be good, my people. But try make you dey good because a lot of people don't know you. Just do things right. Okay? Okay, my lovely people, my beautiful and amazing people, I go to see you now later. Now do well. Please like and share the video, okay? Now bye bye. Oh, I don't come down for lift. My dog's got no wishes.